C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, X, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my A, B, C. Let's turn.